I'm Jen Carlman with InLab News. We are here at the Fall 2010 Demo Conference in San Jose, California. I'm joined by Matt. He is the co-founder of Browse Mob, which you're wearing underneath your shirt, right? There it
Absolutely.
is. That's right.
Promoting all the time.
Selfless promotion. Matt, tell me a little bit about Browse Mob.
Browse Mob is the most interesting way to shop online. You go to your favorite retailers, you pick out the items, and you name your own price. Then we forward the message to the national retailer's local store where the manager can accept or deny your deal. If they accept it, you get a notification, you come into the store, you try it on, and then you pay the Browse Mob price. It's that simple. We're really just trying to enhance the experience of letting people get deals on the stuff that they want.
So how are they finding, are they actually going into the stores and saying, I like that shirt? They take a picture and then they go to your website, or are they finding the product somewhere else?
No, discovery is done online through the browser primarily for now. The whole purpose of what we're doing is we're trying to drive traffic back to the retail store. And we feel like there's a lot going on in the discounting space. It's very hot. But what we're trying to do is provide a new channel as opposed to traditional local advertising, which national brands do. Literally, a manager at a store will see 10 offers. $50 item, somebody wants $40. Wants to pay $40. So if the manager feels like they can discount it or they want this person back in the store, they give them the deal, they come in, and then they can have the opportunity to cross-sell them or that type of thing.
Wow, very interesting concept, Matt. How did you come up with this whole idea? Because we've seen a couple other web-based applications or mobile applications with regards to shopping and retail and selling. But this has a little bit different spin with it, which is the kind of name your own price, the Priceline idea basically for retail, correct?
Absolutely. So Priceline for retail with a local twist. My background is supply chain. So lots of interesting things happen with inventory as it ages. There's discounting, there's wholesaling out to stores that specialize in wholesale merchandise, all these things. So we thought there was an opportunity for stores to re-engage customers, kind of create this back channel customer loyalty program. And they can bring people, instead of people that come to your store once every 2 months, maybe bring them in every 4 weeks, and that's powerful. And so the real magic kind of happened where I have a really close friend who everywhere he goes, he asks for discounts. Literally.
He's one of those, huh?
It sounds absurd because
is there a discount for being good looking? Is
no,
there a
absolutely.
discount for
And the funniest thing is one day we went for coffee at a national coffee chain that everybody knows, and he asked for a discount and they gave him one. Then we went to 2 major sporting goods stores and he bought equipment. And everywhere he went, it was, hey, can you guys cut me a break? Just not a rude conversation, just, hey, what can you guys do for me? And they took stuff off. I mean, 10%, 15%. And I was like, the average person doesn't feel comfortable.
Right.
In the US, it's very awkward, and people think, our customer surveys told us that people don't ask for discounts because they're afraid of how the person they're asking for the discount perceives them.
Sure.
They can't afford it, or what's going on with this person. So we were like, hey, let's take the anxiety out of that process and then give retailers a tool that brings people back to their local stores. So the meld of that, and we've been working on it pretty actively the last 3 or 4 months, and we have a fully functioning demo, and we're using this platform to really get out to retailers. And we're, I guess, ultimately looking for a retailer to say, hey, you know what? We want to try this channel as opposed to online or to print advertising for our local store.
Sure.
And so if you're out there, retailers, give us a call. We'd love to run a trial.
Right, so you would love to pick up, a big, like a Nordstrom or one of these big retailers that would be basically willing to partner with you, and then they say, okay, we want all of our customers to go on Browse Mob.
In some capacity, retailers I don't think will advertise actively that they're willing to take less than retail price, like on their website.
Sure.
We have a distribution channel that will get across to their demographic, and then we can engage them in a very unique way so that when somebody signs up for our site, as a user, you never have to come back. So you do your normal shopping, and if the Gap, for example, is participating, when you're on Gap's site and you're browsing, you can actually submit your own price through our technology. That gets routed automatically, and the local manager can look at their inventory or trends or what season's expiring, or maybe they didn't hit their quota, and they can drive the traffic just by clicking approve or deny on these deals.
Dang, very cool idea. Matt, the co-founder of Browse Mob. Very cool. Best of luck to you. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you.